everyone, welcome back to my channel. In case you guys are wondering, this is going to be another react video. Raccoon City, Resident Evil, that video did get copyright claimed, so we're going to be playing around with it, with this version, this react video, see what we can glean from the video mistake. So, here we go. So today, we are reacting to the 2022 Texas Chainsaw Massacre on Netflix, but I'm excited because I've seen most of the other Texas Chainsaw Massacres. I saw, in this order, the Jessica Biel, the Texas Chainsaw, the beginning. Then I saw the one with Renee Zellweger and Matthew McConaughey. I giggled. I giggled a lot at that movie. It was very funny. And then I saw the 3D one, and then, oh god, what was the other one? What was the other one that I saw? Okay, so I saw those 4 movies. So I know that they had stuff come out in the 70s. I tried really hard to watch the ones from the 70s. I couldn't do it. It was not, I couldn't sit through it. Obviously it was good because I have an entire franchise, and it wasn't good. It was decent, but I just couldn't sit through it. A funny story, my older sister was home from college when I was in junior high school, so she let me pick 2 movies that she would go take me to. So one of them was the Texas Chainsaw Massacre movie with Jessica Biel, and then the other one was Scary Movie 4. It was the one with the chainsaw guy, and or no, not chainsaw guy, with the ring girl Samara in the basement with Anna Faris, and like doing, you know, the arm thing, and then like cutting all the lights out. So my sister and I saw Texas Chainsaw Massacre first, and I lasted 45 minutes into that movie before we had to leave because I was about ready to throw up. And we were the only ones in the theater, and she said I could choose wherever we wanted to sit. I chose to sit as like right, not like front row, but like a couple aisles back, so it's like you're immersed, right? You're like, oh my god, this is amazing. The problem with that is that we were quite literally, is my camera gonna, thank you, thanks camera, was that we were right by like the curtain thing, so I was terrified that someone was gonna come out like through the curtain and like chainsaw us into little itty bitty bits. But we left after 45 minutes, and I proceeded to have nightmares, and I had to sleep with a nightlight for like 5 months after that movie. So how old was I in 7th grade? I was like 10 or not 10. Fuck me, how old was I? It was like I was like 11 or 12, gonna be a teenager, and I was sleeping with a nightlight. Yeah. Well, okay, wait, back up. So I couldn't fall asleep for like 3 months, and then I finally just caved and was like, I'm sleeping with a nightlight. So I slept with a nightlight, and the next day my dad was like, Jen, did you sleep with a nightlight last night? And I was like, yeah. And he was like, why? You're so over a nightlight. And I was like, well, I saw this really scary movie with Emily, and I've had nightmares ever since, and I can't sleep without a nightlight now. Needless to say, I totally threw my sister under the bus, and she called me and was like, you ratted me out to mom and dad. I'm like, I didn't mean to. So I had to go have a talk with, you know, mom and dad, being like, it was my decision to see this movie. She treated me out like it wasn't like this was her decision. It was my thing. So why did you guys get mad at her? All of that good jazz. So needless to say, my love of gore and horror and being scared shitless has come from this movie, and I'm very excited that there's a new version. I saw the trailer. It looks a little interesting, I think is a kind word. I'm hoping that since it's 2022, it's going to have really good gore. The story, I'm not really concerned too much with the story, if it's going to be like a hit or miss, or if it's going to be somewhat identical to earlier movies. Sorry, I was cleaning my lens because it like sitting in a tea puddle apparently. But yeah, so I'm hoping for gore. I'm hoping for good gore. I'm hoping for jump scares. And yeah, we're gonna be editing this video a tad bit differently because I don't want to get copyright claimed. And we're gonna try something new. It's gonna be fun. Go with me here. We're going on an adventure. As my father says, it's gonna be an adventure. As you almost die. Yes, okay. I don't know anyone in this movie. That's when you know you're dedicated to the movie, when you have no idea who the F's gonna be in it. Car. Oh, what?
Excuse me, ma'am.
What?
We're plagued by feral hogs around these parts. The only way to deal with an invasive species is to eradicate it.
Good for you, dude.
Sorry.
Good for you. Oh my god, what a bitch! I was kind of the first to die. Mouthy ass. I mean, I'm a mouthy ass bitch. Let's be real. I would definitely be the. Okay. In a situation where I saw a dude just, wearing a gun, I would not be like, oh my god, he has such a small dick. No, I would be afraid of getting stabbed to death. I am a smart woman, so I would not be saying that shit. When I was in private with my friends in the car, yes, I would. Not in fucking public. I'm not stupid.
What are you doing in our house?
Oh, it's the chick from what was the Sean Bean movie? Silent Hill. That's kind of arrogant. They thought that everyone would be like gone from these buildings. If they didn't have money to move, they would have stayed. So that's going to make selling all of this impossible. Because they're not, I wouldn't imagine if they stayed this long, they're not going to just sell all their shit. Oh god, this poor lady. Doggone. Oh, she's gonna die, and that's gonna set him off, and he's gonna go murder rampage. I am calling it.
Sheriff, I think she croaked.
Can you have any more tact, you dumb piece of shit? Oh, he's gonna lose it. Oh, I'm kind of excited for this. I'm kind of very excited for this. Oh shit. Do it. Do it. Do it, bro. Do it. Fucking asshole. That's the first time I'm ever rooting for Leatherface. Like, ever. Damn. I like Richter. I really like him. Oh, fuck, no. Put it on, boy. Put it on. Oh, okay. Slowly undo it. Slowly open the door. And you're just gonna speed walk away. You're gonna be nice and quiet. You're not gonna do any screaming. You're gonna be nice and quiet. And you're gonna be stealthy as shit. You can do it. I believe. Be stealthy. There we go. Nice and. Oh, he's gonna pop out. Oh, he's gonna pop out. He's gonna pop out. Oh, I hate how that shot is framed. I hate how that shot is framed. I hate it. What are you doing? Don't do that. Don't go for a gun you don't have any idea how to use. Oh, don't drive the car. What the fuck are you doing? What? You're gonna scratch the shit out of yourself. What are you doing? Go out your door. It's not broken. I think. I'm making an assumption here. I don't know. Oh, you dumb bitch. Just stick your head out all the way. Damn. You fucked. Oh, he's gonna be right behind her. Oh, he's gonna be right behind her. I called it. You dumb bitch. Oh, girl, you don't have a chance. And you're like itty bitty crop top. Oh. Damn. Oh. Oh, is he gonna wear her now? You just took your mama's face, boy. You don't need multiple faces. You can chill. Calm your roll. That sucks. She should have just gone through the door. I don't. Oh!
Lady. We didn't kill anybody. She was trespassing on our property.
Where would you even look for a deed in someone's house? That's usually at a bank. In a safety deposit box. Usually. At least that's where my parents keep theirs. I don't know. I think he had the deed in his hand. So they did not have the authority to kick her out. But then why would the police kick her out if they didn't have solid info that it was actually her house? Curious. Oh! But that makes no sense. Why did the police remove her then? Oh, you fuckboy. Oh! 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 Fuck. Oh! Go, buddy. I mean, I still want you to die. But, oh my god, what assholes. Are you serious? What fucking dicks? Ew. They all deserve to die. Don't be dicks. Is it really that hard just to be a decent human being?
Hey, I'm talking to you. Don't walk away from me. Hey, man. You okay?
Oh! It's the flapping. He had the kill. Oh shit. Oh, Victor. Oh, buddy, don't go upstairs. Don't go upstairs. Don't go upstairs. Don't do it. Please don't do it. Don't do it, Tate. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh, don't do it. Don't do it. Richard. Don't be the white knight. Oh, you smart bastard. He's behind the door. Oh, Mel's not gonna say shit. Mel's not gonna say shit. He saw your foot. If he didn't see your foot, he's medically blind. You're the luckiest goddamn bitch ever. Oh, that's a good shot. I love that shot. She's getting closer in. Like, oh. That's not gonna help you none. Yes, look at your friends. The friends that died. Summon courage. It's go time, baby. Do it. Oh, she's brave. I would just, my ass would be permanently glued under that bed. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, she's getting a pop. Oh, cat lady. Oh. Oh. He got shat on. That's amazing. Oh, yeah. Close the door. Get in the driver's seat. Oh! Oh, you fuck now. Oh my god, what idiots. Yeah, fuck is correct. Oh, the hand! There's an exit. There's an emergency exit at the very back of the bus, I think. Really? That's all. Oh. Oh, God, talk about lower back pain. Oh, yeah, her adrenaline is tanked. She's feeling. Oh. It's salad.
Looks like it's you that he wants.
Oh. Oh, she's gonna get taken out so easily, though. Well, I hope it's gonna be like Halloween, the 2018-2019 version, where Laurie Strode and Michael Myers just end up like tossing hits. Oh, push! Don't turn around. Just blast your face off. You have a good shot. Just do it. Oh God. Romanesque after you kill him. Oh, girl. Oh shit. You fucked up. You just.
Say you know me. Say you what you did to my friend.
Oh my God, she's so stupid. Yeah. She's so stupid. You should have just shot him. You should have shot him in the fucking face. Done. She's so stupid. I don't want to be the old lady. Oh, Jesus Christ. This is not Final Destination, Lila.
I'm not gonna let him kill you, okay?
Oh God. Oh. Oh, okay. Old lady came in clutch.
Remember me now? I'm the one who got away, and I'm here to make sure you don't. Motherfucker.
Oh, I don't like her character development. She was a stone. Really? That's what they were wanting to do this entire time. Just stay with the girls. Stay with the girls, get out, come back with a mini army. Don't go into his trap. Oh, Jesus. She's going into his trap. She's dead. She a dead bitch. There is only one Laurie Strode in the entire horror franchise, horror cinematic world, and she's the only one who gets to throw down against the baddie. No one else does a good job. They all make stupid ass mistakes. Oh, 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 oh no, oh, 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 you fucked up. Oh. Oh. Oh, dumbass. Oh. I'm in pain and agony and such disappointment.
What I did to your mama. You deserve that.
I mean, good on you for apologizing before you die. Oh. 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 Oh my god, you're so stupid. Oh my god, I can't. I mean, cojones on her. Oh, you fucked. Oh, you fucked. Oh, you fucked. Oh, you fucked. Drop and roll. Ninja away. Oh. Oh. Of course, now you start shooting. Jesus, you stupid old woman. I can't. This movie went from so good and like badassery to like turd pipes.
Don't run. If you run, you'll never stop.
I would rather be haunted and alive than lying in a ditch. Just saying. Oh, you dumb bitch. Don't listen to her. That is horrible advice. I can't. Oh, you're so stupid. You're effed. Oh. Maybe he's not a swim? He's gonna like rise from the depth. Jason Voorhees style. Oh, poor Thomas. She's gonna have some kind of like moment where she like fights back. Oh no. Oh god, she's just gonna roll over and take it? Get up! Your sister's fighting, you're fighting. Go! Get up! Move it! If you flash back to the old lady, I would be really frustrated with you. Oh! Good job, Lila. Oh. Oh, mouthpiece. Okay. Okay. Oh, he's gonna come through and grab both of them and just. What? Okay. Oh God, there's so much to unpack here. Um, What I liked about this movie, gore, amazing. They absolutely delivered, and this was my primary hope for this movie. It was amazing. They did an amazing job on the gore. Loved it. It was brutal. No punches were held back. The gore effects were fantastic and definitely made me queasy, which compared to the 2003 version where I ran out of the theater, this was glorious. It was amazing. Like, I loved it. Mad props to the director, David Blue Garcia, and the lead special effects supervisor, Yovoko Dagadishiki. I said that wrong. And doing some research, actually, most, if not all, the effects in this movie were practical, which is amazing because most of the time everything is CGI, like CGI blood, CGI like injuries. Most of that was practical. Chef's kiss. Camera framing. I could tell that something would be happening in the background with how the shot was set up. So an example, when the fiance is trying to get out of the van and is like crawling over the mutilated body, it's not a tight shot on her and her struggle trying to get out. It was a nice wide shot so you could clearly see the background behind her, specifically how she was framed within that shot and what her and then the window, the van window that was not shattered. So you could tell, like, okay, something's happening here. It's perfectly leading you to make sure you have that space consciously in your mind, back of your brain, unconsciously in the back of your brain, like, oh shit, something's happening. Hey, something creepy is happening. Enjoy, viewer. The main characters, except for Lila, were complete assholes, and maybe the fiance, she got killed off really quick, so maybe it wasn't, like, maybe not her, per se. Dante and Mel were the worst. I was absolutely rooting for them to get killed. I practically screamed with joy that got edited out when Dante got killed, because I was like, fuck you! But I do love when you have characters in a horror story that you want to see die, because they're just general douches, and you're like, the world is balancing itself out. In this case, you did have a really nice tragedy reversal, where at the beginning, you hate them, you want them to die, and then towards the end, you don't want them to die. It's a Shakespearean term that he ended up getting penned for his work in Othello and King Lear. Hated the kings towards the end, you loved them. Mel was that for me. Total ass at the beginning, but then towards the end, she grew on me. Like a wart. What I hated the most. Give me smart horror. If you're in an old ass house, you don't know the layout, wait until you know he's out of the house and distracted, then make your break for it. Mel made so much noise, albeit she was still a ninja, trying to get up down the stairs and bypass all the creakiness, but she still made noise that Leatherface was acutely aware of, and he was just faking, mind faking, brain faking. Was just faking just to throw off. Second, motherfucking Sally had the damn shots. She should have just shot him in the face, but no. They had to have a piss poor Laurie Strode versus Michael Myers. Why? Fight that did nothing but piss me off because it was absolutely pointless. And up until that point, I loved Sally as a character. I thought she was, she was obviously a Laurie Strode knockoff version, but I thought she was cool. Like, okay, she's an old badass. Like, let's go. So up until the point where, you know, she locks the girls in the car. One, that was like the very first clue I knew, oh my god, she's gonna become an asshole and she's just gonna die. And any hope of grandeur I had for this woman, gone. First indication. Second indication. Say my name. Motherfucker. He don't talk. When have we ever heard him talk? We never hear him talk, just like we never hear Michael Myers talk. And you don't hear Laurie Strode being like, Mako, do you remember me? No, she just gets immediately into trying to stab him and kill the motherfucker, and it's a glorious showdown in the kitchen with hands and grunting and like shooting off hands. Like, why? Why? At this point, they just wanted to add screen time, and it was clear as day, and it was super fucking annoying. Why? Don't do it. Concise storytelling, people. Stick to it. Second point, Richter. Poor Richter. I loved him from the beginning, and the fact that he went off alone after finding someone mutilated that he really didn't like was extremely stupid. I get strong men want to do like macho things, I get it, but like in Crisis, when you don't know what's going on, give me a strong man who realizes he does not have enough info to go off half-cocked and make a strong game plan and holds the fucking defensive point. You should have just stayed with the van people, because then who knows, all those people could have survived and all that good shit. I mean, we wouldn't have had bloodbath, so obviously that wouldn't have worked. But in my mind, like, I could see like another way for Leatherface to get on the van and us to still have that and have it still be concise storytelling, still have it be impactful, and it's not, we lose our best male character of the story, and it's not superfluous. Is that the right word? Superfluous? I think it's the right word. Superfluous carnage that does nothing to the story besides make me, the gory fans, like sing with joy. But I mean, storytelling. Give me smart gore, please. I need it, please. Does this movie have others in the franchise? This is my second favorite movie in the entire Texas Chainsaw Massacre series. The 2003 Jessica Biel movie is still my all-time fave because that was my true gore introduction, initialization, whatever you want to call it. It was my first, and I fucking loved it. And nothing will ever top that for me. I mean, nothing. It was something that was just like mind-boggling. Like, I liked horror up until that point. Like, I watched Scream, I watched some Freddy movies, I watched Michael Myers movies, but nothing matched the gore that I saw there. And it was one of those things where it's like, you're right or you die, right? I mean, not right or you die, but it's like something that you gravitate to right off the bat. Even though I did run out of the theater, don't judge me, it was something that I came back to, and I loved that I was able to like climb that little hurdle, because now that's opened up a whole bunch of other doors for me in terms of movie watching, TV shows are what I like to watch. So it's definitely, it opened my mind palette, my brain chasm, my preferences. Like, that sounds so basic, but it did. 2003, so good. This version had me wooting and hollering, as you can tell with my reactions, and it was honestly very enjoyable to see the mayhem. Absolutely loved it. In terms of the story, this is worse than 2003. 2003 was super basic, to the point, better than Texas Chainsaw The Beginning, The Next Generation, and Leatherface 3D. Jessica Biel's
Texas Chainsaw storyline feels like it could happen to anybody going across the country. And that adds to the horror. I don't know about any like young late 20s, early 30s who could convince a bank to help buy a town and then auction it off. And then the police forcibly remove a woman from her home thinking that she doesn't have the deed. Like, none of that made sense to me, and all of that was just like, why? Even the 3D version where the beautiful girl with like super tiny big tits, I can't remember her name to save my life, but she's beautiful. She was in the new Baywatch movie with The Rock. It was really good. Even her storyline was a little bit more believable, that she was put up for adoption by the cannibal family, which Leatherface was a part of, and then she gets like tricked back to coming into town and all the carnage ensues. That is more believable than this storyline, which, meh. It was still a meh storyline, but it was still good, you know? Like, you feel where I'm coming from? It was still believable. This, no, not believable. Compared to other movies in a similar genre for the last year, how does it rate? Out of the movies I have seen in the 21-22 years, this movie surpassed, I'm not going to be looking at the camera, forgive me, Paranormal Activity, Next of Kin, Old, There's Someone in Your House, Malignant, Wrong Turn, Resident Evil, Welcome to Raccoon City, link up above, watch that reaction, Classic Horror Story, The Forever Purge, Spiral, Escape Room, Tournament of Champions, Boo, The Conjuring, The Devil Made Me Do It, major boo. What else? Although I will have to say I did get the best jump scare from my sister at one of the morgue scenes. It was really good. I was laughing. It was a 7-minute video. It was good. The movie did not come close to Fear Street Part 1, 2, and 3, The Seventh Day, Army of the Dead, Oxygen, Blood Red Sky, Halloween Kills, but the hospital scenes could get yeeted out of the movie and I would be so happy. To Death, Things Heard and Seen, The Power, and The Power. Yeah, I went there. I do watch a lot of movies. Don't judge me.